Okay guys, take 2 tayo.
Something behind the wheel.
Where?
Behind it.
Behind it? What do you mean?
Behind it. Under.
What is it?
I think it's something to screw.
See, that's the new wheel, guys.
Mine.
Why is it like that?
It's Bob, it doesn't, it's not, it's a spare tire.
Die.
Hmm.
Die.
I've got the other one in there.
Silly. I had to change it to Paris' stop.
How
Ayan,
are
kasi
we
nabasa.
going to get to?
Okay, now unlock, buddy, please. Time check, guys. It's now 3:11 ng hapon. So, magdadrive tayo. Pupunta tayo ng Woolies kasi kailangan namin ng napi ni Baby Celine. Unfortunately, hindi na matutuloy yung ating pupuntahan. Dapat sana today. Because yung spare tire natin is maximum 80 kilometers only. So, hindi mo yan siya magagamit ng malayuan. Tesla! Oh my! Kaya, yeah, makakapag-drive lang kami doon sa, kung saan yung shops.
Daddy.
Daddy, sige.
Princess.
How are we gonna get to Brisbane?
We're gonna get the tire changed tomorrow.
Yeah, so bukas, kailangan namin pumunta sa, kailangan bumili ng bagong tire. Para,
Hi, Daddy.
para,
This
makauwi kami
princess.
ng Brisbane kasi hindi siya pwedeng i-drive
Yes,
ng malayo.
princess?
Guys. Dito.
Still open.
It is
And
Paris.
as mentioned, today is public holiday, so close yung mga shops. Pero yung Woolies, yung grocery ay open, so yun. And we might go for a little walk.
And we're also tell them we're going to the pool.
Pool?
Yeah.
Which pool? We went there this morning.
Yeah, but it was too cold. Daddy told us to go in the afternoon.
Okay.
Tell them that.
Daddy said that?
Yeah.
Daddy.
Well, you better tell him, Mommy, that's what Paris is saying, so it's good.
Hala, wala ko, Daddy.
Yeah, probably. You better tell the camera, Bob, because Paris thinks it's on record now.
What?
I'm saying that
What, Daddy?
you're making it official,
No.
babe.
What was the thing you just said?
I said you better tell him.
What's
So
the thing, Bob? The bird.
the what?
Well, how did you call it? The bird on the
The Broga.
Broga.
Well, I just seen that white bird.
Paris is trying to make it official, isn't she?
Did you see the old tire?
Yeah.
Was there a hole?
No, he doesn't know. He's like, what happened to it? I'm like, I don't know, I think we went down a ditch. But I'm not too sure, mate, to be honest. Like, it wasn't really evident. After I was talking.
What was the thing again? 902540.
902-540 hash. What?
That's I'm right then.
Hmm? 902-540.
Sa gate kasi guys, kailangan paglabas, pagpasok, ay maglalagay ka ng code. Huh? Huh?
Okay.
902540. Alam niyo ba, hindi kami makalabas doon sa fence, sa gate nila. Nagpaano na lang kami, yung kasunod namin na sasakyan, pinalagay namin yung kanyang code para makalabas lang kami, we're out of their way. So Daddy Mike, ayan, pumasok sa loob ng office nila. Kasi siguro, I'm not sure, baka siguro nag-expire siya kasi dapat aalis kami today. But Daddy Mike, yes lang. Oh. Ano Paris, Kari? That's dangerous, you don't touch it, okay? Pero in-extend ni Daddy Mike ba ng another day yung stay namin, so baka siguro nag-change yung code. Wait, what's that for? Is that because we're supposed to leave today?
No. It's because it's, you gotta do it. It goes like in out, in out.
Yeah.
So, because I last put it in,
Ah.
She said it'll work on it.
Okay, alright. That's why. I was wrong. Lumabas pala si Daddy Mike at saka si Ate Paris kayo na kinuha yung Uber Eats sila, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I put it in.
How did you go back? Okay, anyways.
She just said like, yeah, if it wasn't working on the way coming out, it should work when you're coming in. Cool. As long as it works, I'm good for it.
Yeah.
Anyway, worst case scenario, but we'll just get someone else to open it for us. We're going to Woolies.
After that.
We'll have a walk around because we can't go too far because
We'll just have a look at the water lang.
yeah, because the car is
I want to go swimming.
oh yeah.
Later, when we go back.
Yeah, well, if you gotta do that, you better make sure we're back before the pool closes at 6. We can't go in the water park, yeah, just in the pool.
Huh?
No water park, yeah, just the pool.
Why?
Because the water park closes at 5 and the pool closes at 6.
That's only little.
Alright, well, it's up to you, but we can just Paris, we can just go back, you know, if you want to go back after worse. Or do you want to go look at shells on the beach? Would you rather go look for shells on the beach or would you rather go play in the pool? Which one? Well, you're gonna have to choose.
You have to choose one, honey.
You have to choose one because we don't have time to do both. So, alright, well, it's a. Oh, do you want me to choose for you?
Shall we just go to the Lennox Head tomorrow?
We can't, unless we get tyres changed.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do it tomorrow.
Wala. Na, ano yung isang araw
In
eh.
400 meters,
Ayan.
continue straight to stay on Shirley Street.
Buti na lang yun, oy, kay safe pa. Kasi naman while we're driving, I
What do you think?
Very dangerous.
Beach?
Yeah, I think beach na because we haven't been.
That's what I was gonna choose.
Okay, well done, Ate.
And because, yeah, we might, what happened,
Continue straight to stay
I'd
on
be scared if we went to the pool. If we went to the pool and then all of a sudden it was,
Close.
not closed,
In
too cold
600
again.
meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit and stay on Butler Street.
So, yun na nga guys. Change yung plano natin. Dito na lang kami sa beach. Yan, tingin-tingin sa alon. Nakatulog ang ating Ate Paris, oy. Okay.
Why does it come?
Oh, sorry. Tilingling is there. Ah, tiling. Sana naman hindi kami ulanan. Ano? Kasi sayang naman yung araw namin ba dito. Come here. Come here. This way. Sit here. Ayan ang ating baliling. Ay! Nagsapatos-sapatos. Sa beach na. Pumunta tanga si Daddy. Yuki! Up! Yes, Ate Paris, Daddy Mike. So yesterday guys, we were there. Tingnan nyo. Ayun. Ang lighthouse. Diba? Sobrang taas niya. Hold mamaling! Cheers! Like it there?
Yeah, I just don't know. I found it here.
Lang, ating darimar kung nandun talaga sa tubig. Yeah! Down ka. Hala, have a look at the bed lang! Love na in love talaga yan si Daddy Mike sa beach, guys. Yes!
Come on. Right here.
Come on lang! Help lang! Dig, dig, dig!
No, it's not like that here. You can make the other side. You can make our own one.
Dito, very nice kapag summer,
I
guys,
think
kasi
I have a
sunny and it's not cold. Ngayon, hindi siya umuulan, which is really good. At least nandito kami, pero 22 lang ata today. Yes, princess! Do it here, Baba! Do it here! Go, go! Okay, it's alright then. You don't need to go there. Just see Daddy like that. She's scared.
Let me tell you.
Are you gonna jump in the water?
It's so nice.
Oh my god! No way! There's no way I'm gonna get in that water. Tingnan nyo. Hala, ang wak-wak. Look at Daddy. I know. It's crazy. Hala, wala pang... Alam niyo ba guys, wala yan sa plano. Wala pa namang towel dala. Tingnan niyo Daddy nak. Yes, have a look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Yeah. Hindi na talaga nakapag-intay ng bukas. Oy. May dalang tuwalya. Have a look at Daddy lang. Daddy! Oh, Daddy lang! Louder!
Mom, that's like the house together.
Hang on lang. Louder! Go, Daddy! Louder! I know. I know, it's so cold! I'll write your name. Paris.
I'll write my name. 50 wrong. Yay! No, Daddy wrong.
Hala, napakaginaw naman. Uy.
Yay!
Louder!
Oh, Daddy.
I know, louder, go!
Daddy, give me Daddy.
Daddy.
When I go this way, I do it.
Huh?
I do it this way.
Hala, bali lagi pagkasulat lang. How did you do that?
Huh?
How did you do that?
It's your kettle.
Can you write your name again? That's crazy. Tingnan yung pagkasulat niya. Oh, why would you do that? Do it properly, anak. You're doing it the other way around.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then I'll go and pull out.
There, yeah. It should be like that. Tingnan yung pagkasulat, oh.
I just wear it that way.
This way. It's always this way, yeah. Come, Lynn. Lah, Daddy, asa naman? You say a different stern for each letter, not nice.
And it below is hot.
A few moments later.
Pinalabas ko si Daddy Mike, guys, para bumili ng dinner namin para hindi na kami bumalik dito mamaya. So, I requested for Thai food. So, ayun siya. Ang mga kids ay nandito. Did you enjoy the beach, guys?
Yes, I made a boat and I play
Oh, yeah, yeah.
and I'm
Pero isa lang.
down there.
Sus, nandun, oh. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang ginawa.
I made it by,
Hala, ang sasakyan ba?
and I
Very
made it by
sandy.
myself with sand.
You don't really...
It's like squishy very hard. And when it's
Lane, did you enjoy the beach? Celine, did you enjoy the beach?
Zero.
Yeah, was it nice? Yes? Celine, yes?
Yes.
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 Celine, how
Yes.
today?
Ask again, te.
Celine, how's your day today? Yay!
Did you have a good day, Lynn?
Yay!
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 Did you like the water?
Yay!
Yay!
Bye-bye!
Ask Celine a question lang.
Celine, do you like Nana? Celine, do you like Nana? Nana! Do you like bananas? Nana! Now that game looks so
20, 19, have a look at that. Time now. 14, that's it.
I can't see it. I can't see
Done.
it.
Look, let's go. Come on, another goal. He's got it. He's got it. That's it. The end of the game.
You're sounding very loud.
It doesn't matter.
We won a point.
Was that more?
Mike, did we won or we won a point?
One. That's it. The game is finished. Well done.
Did we win?
Still, oh no, it was not one. It was not more.
No, I thought you said at the bottom of the count.
Just icing on the top of the cake. There we go. Oh, it's a good
Which score?
side by side. We stick together to uphold the magpie's name. See the barkers are shouting.
That's me.
All the skirmishers are cake. We're the dog calling word.
That wasn't me.
Hi to you as well, to you. Good old Collingwood forever. They know how to play the game. Do you hold the magpies? See the barkers shouting. I saw barkers shoot. All the barkers shoot escape for the good old Collingwood. Woo!
We got 19-0.
Yes!
We got the
9077. Well done!
13.
We won!
I think 12.
Ayan nyo guys. Yan yung aking team guys. Whew. Collingwood versus versus Essendon. Tingnan nyo ang dalawa. Kakatapos lang naming mag-dinner guys. Dalawa. Ah, ice cream, ice cream. Ay, sarap ng buhay ah! What's on ate?
Peter Rabbit.
Hindi ko na naipakita yung dinner namin guys. Very messy here. So, yun na nga tayo yung aming dinner. Thai fried rice. Ano, what was the other two, Daddy?
Huh?
Thai fried rice. Tom yum.
And Tom yum.
Tom yum soup. And spring rolls. And two pan spring rolls.
I just ate the top of it. I just ate some to try it, but
Tom yum, Ling Ling.
I didn't like it. So
Ang cute ni Celine kumain ng ice cream ah. Hmm? Basta na kayo ka. Mainis lang ta, ha? Thank you. Mwah! Finish na, Nick? Thank you for helping Mama.